Waterfall Creek Road is located approximately 2 hours southwest of Brisbane. Access begins at the base of Mount May. This is through a lovely flat camping reserve. These sites are easily booked through the National Parks website. Each of these sites are quite large and you could easily fit 3 or 4 cars plus campers. Be aware you go through a number of private properties on this road, so make sure you observe the signs and do as the owners request. The majority of this road is easy farm road with only a couple of small sections that you'll need to actually think about your line. Wow, and when you get to the top, the view is spectacular. 360 degrees, and with the drone, made it just that much better. Just make sure you don't forget to stop at the waterfalls, back at the camping reserve. They're absolutely spectacular. There's something magical about that place. It's well worth the adventure.